Welcome to the first section of this course. Here I will introduce to you ketosis as a metabolic state and intermittent fasting as a strategy for timing your meals. Conveniently and for increased efficiency, I will discuss what a combination between the two can result in. Many people have been able to maximize fat loss this way, and I am one of them. And this is the major theme of the course. So in this section, you'll learn about the different metabolic states that most people can be in and the metabolic states that most people are in. Then I will briefly introduce the concept of macronutrients and I will give some food examples for that purpose. Later on, I'll discuss ketosis as a metabolic state, what it implies, how you measure it, and I'll also tell you about the carbohydrate limit for ketosis and how to determine it. Then I will introduce the concept of intermittent fasting and the different types of intermittent fasting that you can use, as well as my personal approach. Lastly, we'll have a sneak peek of section 2. So let's get straight into the first lecture.